Where are you going? Peacocks. Wow, those are beautiful. Come on, put up your feathers. Put them up. Put them up. Put them up. They're just going to run away, but I'm going to keep taking video of them. Running off them. Run! Run away! Run away, I'm going to keep following you. You're probably going to yell at me, "Ma'am, you have to leave the zoo. You're tormenting our birds." I wonder what those are. You're not supposed to go back there.
I work here.
That's not fair. Does it say what kind of birds they are?
Yeah, lapwing.
Lapwing?
Yeah, masked lapwing.
Mmm.
Got a good picture of a bunch of them.
Oh, YouTube, if you're wondering, we're at the Phoenix Zoo. This is my friend James. Say hi, James.
Hello.
What would help if I don't zoom up on your face? Don't want to see your pores. Well, maybe we do, but...
Maybe.
So this little birds I've been chasing around are lapwings. A duck! Ah, a duck! Awesome! We like ducks. Ducky, ducky, ducky.
Rubber ducky or what?
Okay, enough tormenting the birds. Except for this one, I have to look at this one. Like, oh god. They're coming closer. Oh, they're coming closer. Ah! Hey! Don't be landing on me. Did you get a picture of it flying?
Not flying, I was trying to, but he just was too